Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, it's never enough? Do you feel like you're constantly chasing approval but never quite reaching it? That quiet voice that whispers, "You're not good enough," it's not the truth. It's a belief you learned, perhaps from past experiences or societal pressures, and it can be unlearned. If you're ready to rise above self-doubt and feel confident in who you are, this video is for you. Before we delve in, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more simple, life-changing tips that help you grow into your best self. 1. Discover where not good enough began. Feeling not good enough often comes from old stories. Maybe someone criticized you, compared you, or made you feel small when you were younger. These experiences can shape how you see yourself even today. But here's the truth. Those moments don't define you. They were opinions, not facts. Once you recognize where the belief started, you can begin to let it go and rewrite your story. 2. Challenge that inner critic. We all have that inner voice that points out our flaws or mistakes. But most of what it says isn't true. When you notice negative thoughts like, "I always mess up," stop and ask, "Is that really true?" Then, replace it with something more balanced, like, "I'm learning and improving every day." Changing your inner dialogue may take time, but every kind word you give yourself builds confidence and inner calm. 3. Practice self-compassion daily. Self-compassion means showing kindness and understanding to yourself, particularly when you face challenges or make mistakes. You wouldn't tell a struggling friend, "You're not enough," so why say it to yourself? Be gentle with your mistakes. Remember that being human means being imperfect. When you feel down, place your hand on your heart and say, "It's okay to feel this way." Kindness toward yourself isn't weakness, it's strength. It helps you heal and grow stronger from within. 4. Set real goals you can reach. Sometimes, feeling not good enough comes from setting impossible standards. You expect perfection, and when you don't reach it, you feel like a failure. Start by setting small, realistic goals. When you achieve them, celebrate every step forward. Progress builds belief. Little wins remind you that you can do this. 5. Choose people who lift you. Who you spend time with matters more than you think. Surround yourself with people who see your worth, who encourage your growth, and who celebrate your wins. If someone constantly judges or compares you, it's okay to take a step back. Positive energy feeds your confidence. Negative energy drains it. 6. Keep a journal of wins. Every day, write down things you're proud of, even small ones like finishing a task or being kind to someone. When you record your daily wins, you remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. Over time, that journal becomes proof that you are capable and worthy of success. On hard days, read it back to remember how far you've come. 7. Stop comparing yourself on social media. Scrolling through perfect pictures online can make you feel like you're falling behind. However, keep in mind that social media only shows the highlights, not the whole reality. Everyone has struggles they don't post. Unfollow accounts that make you feel less than, and follow ones that inspire and uplift you. Protecting your peace is self-respect. 8. Invest in your growth. Learning about yourself is one of the most potent ways to build confidence. Try activities like reading, journaling, therapy, or coaching, anything that helps you better understand your thoughts and emotions. When you grow from the inside out, you stop seeking approval and start trusting yourself more. Personal development turns, "I can't," into, "I'm learning how." 9. Celebrate what makes you unique. You have strengths that no one else has. Maybe it's creativity, empathy, humor, or resilience. Instead of comparing your path to others, appreciate what makes you special. Please write down your top 5 strengths and how they help others. Owning your uniqueness takes power away from self-doubt and replaces it with pride and a sense of purpose. Fast action steps to start today. 1. Write down 3 personal wins. Before you go to bed tonight, list 3 things you did well today, no matter how small. It could be as simple as completing a task, staying calm, or being kind. It helps your brain focus on progress, not perfection. 2. Say one kind affirmation in the mirror. Look at yourself and say, "I am enough just as I am." Repeat it daily. Over time, your mind will begin to believe what your heart already knows. 3. Unfollow 3 comparison triggers. Go through your social media and unfollow 3 accounts that make you feel inadequate. These are what we call comparison triggers, accounts that often lead to negative self-comparisons and feelings of inadequacy. Replace them with ones that inspire confidence, kindness, and growth. You deserve to live in a space that lifts your spirit. Final thoughts: feeling not good enough doesn't mean you're broken, it means you've believed a lie for too long. Every time you choose self-kindness, self-awareness, and self-respect, you prove that lie wrong. Remember, confidence isn't built in a day. It's built in moments of choosing yourself, again and again. Keep showing up, keep growing, and never forget, you are already enough. If this message helped you, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss more videos that help you heal, grow, and shine brighter every day.